have formalized in our presence the existence of the bond of love between you, vowing to be loyal and loving towards one another. Just as the circle is without end, your love for each other is eternal.
I'm not checking that one.
And she's like, would you mind if I sing you a love song?
Amazing.
Thank you. I mean, look at you.
Look at you.
Good.
You look awesome.
Thank you. Did you see the back?
Yeah, I was gonna say turn around, please. Ooh.
Welcome, friends, family, and honored guests. We are here to celebrate love. Love is which organizes our large and somewhat unpredictable world. It is that which enshrines and ennobles the human experience. The greatest gift bestowed upon us is the gift of love, freely given between two people.
Where we get to say that we did it. We made it. We are finally getting married. But this is not the finish line. This is only the beginning.
You make me laugh every single day, even when I don't want to. You get me better than anybody else.
I promise to always love you, no matter what tomorrow brings, no matter what the future holds for us. Because you are my best friend, my partner in crime, my soulmate, and the girl that I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with.
I feel so lucky that I found the perfect person to call my better half. I can't imagine life being any better than what we have, and I can't wait to start the next part of it with you. I love you.
Therefore, by the powers vested in me by the Humanist Society in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, it is my joyful responsibility to officially acknowledge your union as husband and wife. You may now seal your marriage with a kiss. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to present to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Mark and Ashley Bowley.
You guys obviously made for each other, which is fantastic. It makes me happy that you two are here. So I wish you all the best in marriage. I hope you stay married for a lifetime. And Ashley and Mark, I toast.
It became official that Ashley was part of the family tonight, but Ashley's been part of the family since that moment. She shared in all the good times with us and our family and with Mark, and we really appreciate that.